Chapter 4: The Special Bond of Friendship. Before we begin, animals are kept for various purposes. People keep them as pets, as means of transport, for entertainment, etc. These animals in turn love their masters. Let's read about the beautiful bond of love between Bhola and his mahout. Once, I had gone to the hospital to see a friend who was ill. As soon as I went in through the main gate, I saw an elephant standing guard outside the entrance. A number of people had crowded around him. Looking at him, I realized that it was Bhola, the temple elephant. But where was his mahout Rajan? The doctor, whom I knew, told me that Rajan had been admitted to the hospital. He had had a sudden heart attack. He is out of danger now, but he'll have to stay here for at least another week, the doctor said. Bhola had followed his mahout to the hospital. I saw Nilesh, the assistant mahout, talking to Bhola. He was trying to take him away. I went up to Nilesh and asked him what had happened to Rajan. Nilesh replied, he was giving Bhola a bath in the river when he complained of a severe pain in the chest. He scrambled out of the water and fainted. I called for help and we brought him to the hospital. And what about Bhola? I asked. Nilesh explained. He saw us taking Rajan and followed us all the way to the hospital. He's been standing here since then. The doctors seem to be unhappy about that, Nilesh. They don't want the elephant in the hospital compound, I told Nilesh. I know, but how can I make him understand that? Said Nilesh. His master Rajan never used a stick or iron to goad him. How can I use them now? Take him to the shade of the trees presently, I said. You may try to take him away later. With great difficulty, Nilesh moved Bhola to the foot of a large tree near the hospital wall. Rajan was discharged a week later. All this while, Bhola waited for him under the tree. He would remain worried and ate nothing. When Rajan became strong enough to walk a little, he went to meet Bhola. The elephant's eyes lit up with joy. He waved his trunk, flapped his ears, and took a few dancing steps. I'm all right, Bhola. I know you have been waiting for me for the whole week, Rajan said, patting him. Don't worry, we can go home now. Then he held out a bunch of bananas, which the elephant gobbled up happily. The onlookers exclaimed, Just look at that, they said. These two are more like brothers than elephant and mahout.